Guys, in this tutorial I will tell you about how to use Activity Result Launcher to take images. So let's get started. So first we will go to our XML activity where we will add our image view. We will set its width and height to 300 dp and height is also 300 dp. Also set its ID image view. Okay, now we see that it's now looking there. Now we will add a button. Wrap content ID should be bt underscore take picture. Okay, and its text should be take image. Okay, so add a little margin top also. Okay, so here we can see that our image view and button is added. Now we will go to our coding activity and we will initialize our button and image view. So image view button. Take image, we can rename it to take image view. It's I think okay. So now image view is equals to find view by id r.id dot image view, and for button find view by id r.id dot button. Okay, so I think there is an error. We have to refresh it. Our Gradle. It will be gone. It's not a big. Okay, now it's gone. So sometime it happens due to the Gradle not refresh automatically, or the project is already running. So that's why. Okay, so now we will define our activity result launcher here. We will pass intent. Okay, result launcher is equals to result launcher register activity for result new start. We will use activity start contracts dot start activity for result. Now we'll use this result. Okay, so now we will first check that that result dot get result code should be equal to result dot okay. That means that the result is okay, and then we also add a condition here to check that the data should not be null. Okay, if this condition means true, then we will use bundle for here. Why bundle? Because the data we receive in this result is in the form of bundles. So result dot get data dot get extras. Okay, now to show the image taken from the image taken, we have to first convert it into bitmap, because the image view can take a type of a bitmap in order to show it on it. So bitmap is equals to bundle dot get data. Okay, so we will get our data in this name. So we will in this key. So we will use bundle dot get, and in data we will receive our image URI. Okay, image data. So now okay, we also have to assign it bitmap. Okay, now it's okay. Now in order to view that image, I just forget to add a colon. No, in order semicolon. Now image view dot set image bitmap. So this method will show our image. If the image is taken successfully, then this method will show image to our image view. Now we will do code for button set on click now, or take image of set on click listener, new view dot on click listener. Okay, so intent is equal to new intent, and media store, basically media store dot action image capture is used to capture the image. Okay, now to launch that intent we use activity result launcher, basically its instance dot launch, or we will pass this intent to their launcher. So basically when we use this activity launcher dot launch and then pass intent, so this method will know that it should have to, this should have to launch a camera, and after taking the picture here, so it will convert this to bundle and then bitmap, and then we use that bitmap in our image set image bitmap method, and it will show that image to our into our application. So let's basically what I did by I removed this whole and replace it with lambda. You can also do it by clicking on here and replace with lambda. Okay, so let's start. So our application is now installed. So now click on take image. It will open camera. The camera is now open. Basically it's a by default screen of by default camera of emulator. When we will use our any physical device, then it will show the real image. So now when I click on the capture, okay, so you can see that the image we have captured is now visible to our Android application. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my